ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಾ ಬಪ್ಪೋಕ್ಕೂ ಬ್ಯಾಡ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾತು, ಶ್ರೀಪಾದಂಗೂ ಬ್ಯಾಡ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾತು. ನಾನು ಹರಿಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದ. मच्छी पाया बांधले
ह्यो जो बैल आहा हेका आमी आतां ऑपरेट केल्लो आहा. हेचे पोट ऑपरेशन करून भितूरले प्लॅस्टीक जे आमी काडला आनी तो स्वताच्या पांयान आतां आपल्या गोठ्यान काडलेले आहा प्लॅस्टीक. थंयसून हांगा पांय चालत येयलो आपल्या पांयान आनी रावल्ले आहा. आतां त्या फाटल्यान आमकां 10 दीस तेचो फाटल्यान फॉलोअप घेवपाचो पडटलो. एंटीबायोटीक दिवचे पडटले, पेन किलर दिवचे पडटले. पूण तो बैल म्हणटा तो आतां सुस्थितीन आहा आनी तेचो आतां तो तेका त्रास जाताले, डायजेशन जावपाक प्रॉब्लेम जातालो. तो आतां पूर्णपणे मुक्त जाल्लो आहा.
Because once the cow eats the plastic, it will never come outside the body of the animal, and it releases lot of toxins and hampers the digestion of the animal, and one fine day the animal will die. So there is no other way to get rid of the plastic, and we have to remove the plastic from the stomach of the animal. So today we have conducted the operation of one cow here, which is suspected to be consumed the plastic, and we removed about 2 kg of the plastic. And now we are moving to the another farm where many cows have consumed the plastic is there. And the request to the public is not to use the plastic because it's very dangerous to the life of the cattle, and at the same time it's very difficult to remove it from the stomach of the animals and requires the surgery from a qualified surgeon.